My name is David Langfeld. I'm a structural engineer at Icahn. I lead the regulatory program, part of the building and construction science team. I was drawn to the mission of Icahn to work at the intersection of structural engineering and true innovation. Icahn's not just incrementally pushing construction forward, we're fundamentally changing how buildings are going to get constructed. And the opportunity to create the regulatory foundation from the ground up in a very technical, rigorous way was really attractive. The primary mission of the regulatory program is to make sure that 3D printing goes from a theoretical design concept to actual permitted construction projects, essentially transforming construction innovation technology into real-world projects. We're making sure that this technology can be used on construction projects. You can have the best technology, but if you can't get a building permit, it's not going to benefit people. People aren't going to be housed by this technology. So to do that, the regulatory program does structural R&D testing for the wall systems and its subcomponents. We do validation and acceptance, working with building officials throughout the United States. And we work to progress the development of codes and standards, which will govern 3D printing and allow for further scaling and adoption throughout the country. Since the regulatory program is critical to almost all the projects at Icahn, the project types are very diverse. There's also a really good balance and a mix of field work versus office work. We're in the field doing test prints, going to test labs to observe the testing, and then we come back to the office, we're doing structural analysis, we're analyzing the test results, writing reports, and doing presentations for building officials and others throughout the country. When we talk about structural testing, we're testing for a lot of different things. We're talking about seismic, we're talking about hurricanes, we're talking about fire, we're talking about overall structural capacity, so there's a lot of variety and diversity on that testing as well.